Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video today, I wanted to make a basic configuration for the SD1 FortiGate. This is the topology, this the simple topology from SD1, and this is I use one router Fortinet, so two router. He is become ESP1 and ESP2 in the port 1 and 2, and in the local network I connect to the switch. This is in the switch I change, yeah, I manage to make two VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, after this I have configuration basic for add IP address for ESP1 and ESP2. So in the network management, so this is in this IP we used to connect for to get GUI. This is I have IP address yeah. So okay, so this the the first step we enter to the GUI 40 get the login later. Okay, this is a dashboard from the 40 get, and this is we can show the network, the router, and the connected to 7 router and gateway. We have 2 client and SD1 again. So this is the configuration for the interface. This is I have config for the interface. In interface right to the VLAN in port 3, that is VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So in the port 4, this is a configuration for the management device. So the next is continue the one ESP1 and VLAN ESP2. Yeah, this is for the IP 12, 12 and 22. Okay, the continue configuration that we make a SD1. Yeah, we make a SD1. If you first or the first, yeah, first you enter to FortiGate this virtual one, this color is red, yeah, or silver, yeah. The mark is turned off. If that, we must to enter terminal, so we config enable, yeah, setup enable for virtual one link. Okay, in this interface I have config to until the color is green. Yeah. This is again in if we check it in the static code. This I have config, yeah, for the static code. Yeah, if you wanna config, you must to you just to add interface this. Yeah, this is interface. You just uh, enter this interface virtual link to the column interface column. So you okay, yeah. After that, you can show in this we can have configuration static code. Now if we to checking to ping internet, that is success, yeah, with internet. So in the firewall, okay, before this we want to make SD1 role. Yeah, this is we will make SD1 role to the port, yeah, to the VLAN 10 can to ping uh, to tracer, yeah, tracer ping to internet from the ESP1, yeah, from IP 12.12 1, yeah, this is the gateway 12.1. So in the VLAN 20 it can ping to ESP2. So this is we make rules here for SD1 that is about name. This is we access for the VLAN tag. Yeah. So in the source address, this is so address we okay. This is for the last config is address. We enter the VLAN 10 address. Yeah. So in the internet service, not to add and just this. Okay, in the origin interface, this is we have four options. In this config we choose manual because we configuration manual for the config. So if you wanted to use best quality or SE low cost and maximum bandwidth, this it is you must to have SL, SLE, SLI, yeah, SLI. Yeah, you can show this is you must to enter measure SLI. So this is configuration manually and the interface reference we choose one USB.1. Okay, okay, this is have to we have to one configuration and one SD1 roles here. So we create in the next. This is for VLAN 20. Okay, the same we added the address from address the uh, destination. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah. The configuration is forget the source address is all, yeah. We choose all. So going manually and interface preference is one, yes, two. In the in nah, this is for all, apply. Okay, this is we have to close SD1, and the next step is we must do configuration firewall policy. Yeah, this is eh, I'm sorry for the configuration SD1 things. Maybe we oh, it's changing here. The source is VLAN 10 apply and the destination is all. Yeah, because we we send package from the VLAN 10 to the this is we edit, and the destination is home. Okay, and the next is configuration for PolySci. Okay, for the configuration firewall, this is I have made two configuration, yeah, VLAN 10 and 20. If you show this, now I can show to you about how we can do configuration for wall. Yeah, this is we create new, and now this is not free. Yeah, you can access VLAN or what is it? Select in incoming interface. This is to uh, you use, yeah, for incoming interface. That's we enter VLAN 10 because we this is to host or host firewall VLAN 10. So in the next column is hotway interface. This is we enter firewall normally, yeah, normally. So in the source we enter VLAN 10 and destination we can use all and service again all. So the configuration this is, yeah, so simple. You must enter for info interface, outgoing, source, destination, and service. So in the last is low traffic. This is the change to all season. After this, you can uh, create, yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, if you have to create, you can show this. Yeah. You can show this. Uh, your rules for the firewall. Yeah. This is the source is VLAN and destination and schedule service. This is hardware. And again, you must make two firewall, yeah, two VLAN for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, this is if you have the configuration firewall PolySci, the device from VLAN 10 that can to ping for the network, yeah, for the network. This is we can try, yeah. This I have configuration API just for the VLAN 20. This VLAN 10. This is we can. This I have configure IP address, so we can ping. We will ping, yeah. Okay, this is the success. Then we try to VLAN 20. This again. This is we tracer, yeah, to show about tracking about code VLAN 10 that's he 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 working, he connect to ESP1 or 2. This is we tracer, yeah. You can show this here in the VLAN 20. This is it is connect to the ESP2, yeah, to IP 2021 from VLAN 20. So in VLAN 10 again, we're tracking for the IP internet. This you can show this device from VLAN 10. We connect to ESP1. We working the route from port 1 in Fortinet and ESP1 in Ethernet 0/1. Okay, this is the configuration in load balance. Okay, this is we can show this configuration, this SD1 rules. We make configuration for the failover. If we to can show this, oh, I'm sorry, if we delete from the root disk, the VLAN 10 uh, can ping to the internet for from the port 2 in the port 40net from the ESP2. Okay, that is configuration failover. So this is we can uh, try to configuration load balance. We can to what to give for the bandwidth. If we sorry, this is we delete. So in this we edit. Okay, this is we can we will to use outgoing interface for the best quality, lowest cost, and maximum bandwidth. We choose the one, and if we to uh, make this configuration, load balance, we must to create CLA. So this is the column from to if we activate outgoing interface for best quality, low cost, and maximum bandwidth. So we we will to create SLI dulu. Okay, this is I have create SLI. If you um, if you first configuration, you can to uh, change this. I mean, if you can to choose SD1 members or specify the specify. This is we can to enter one SP1 and SP2. This I have to configuration SL from the latency. Okay, this is we will to edit. Yeah. Since we edit, for name is load balance. So the source address we add VLAN 20. It's already grouped. So address is all. And this is we choose the best quality. Best quality. Because if we choose best quality, the interface can to select it from the best measures. The performance from the two interface, from the port 1 and port 2. This is the router. We will to choose the best performance to packet from local network can access to network. This is we choose best quality. So interface preference we add again ESP tools and let's write SLI. Yeah. We choose default DNS. After we create in the before this. So quality criteria. This is the criteria. You can choose the criteria what criteria to the router uh, can what the English ya, menilai ya, kayak can menilai from the performance that can to latency, jitter, packet loss, bandwidth ya. This is you can choose ya. This is I choose latency. Okay, okay, okay. This is configuration rules SD1. We will have config ya. Oh, I'm sorry guys for the source yeah. This is we choose one source because we will to try for the one VLAN. Yeah, we'll try to VLAN 10. Okay, this is config. Okay, this is we checking for the rules. Oh, for the easy checking, we criteria. This is we choose for the packet loss yeah, because we can check about the difference we make load balance for from the VLAN 10. Okay, this is if we checking it because system SD1 service. Okay, this is we can check for the packet loss is 00 yeah, because we not tracking. If you tracking this, okay, you can show yeah the gateway from the VLAN. The route from the VLAN 10 is port 1. Yeah, port 1. Yeah, this is if we to delete router from the delete text this here. Okay, this is sorry. Nah, this is we delete. Okay, so we try this. Good. The package from the VLAN 10 that trace or change to port port 2. Yeah, you can show this yeah. The packet to the ESP2. So if we to connect again, save. So we trace it again. We can try to this system. This is you can show yeah for packet loss in the port 1 after we turn off. That is the height yeah, 35 because because this the packet from the VLAN 10 you trace to port 2 because the packet loss is uh, the dome or the point is dome yeah, lower dome. You can show this being trace it again yeah. The packets not change route. Okay, this is configuration for the load balance yeah. we can checking. We have checking from the VNet. So you can tracking in the dashboard network. This is you can show from the status in SD1. Okay, maybe that's for the checking in the load balance for latency criteria. If we to diagnose this, you know, check. Oh, okay, this is the packet loss is to change in the first, yeah. You can show this the point is 0. This is you can check in the VLAN 10 again for the reset. Yeah. The root are changed to the SESP1, yeah, because the packet loss is lower down. You can show this. This is after we do after the packet loss is lower up, and this is this chance. Okay, maybe this is for the configuration basic for the SD1, and that is we practice for the make load balance for the VLAN 10 and for the gas. So we practice to connect router Fortinet to Ethernet. Shipping. Okay, maybe this my video for the SD1 party cats. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. If you like for this video, you can like. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.